A young man once asked, "What's the quickest way to make money today?" The older man smiled, not to mock, but with truth. He said, "Fast money fades, smart money lasts. The better question is, what's the smartest move I can make today?" The boy laughed nervously. "Isn't working hard the answer?" The man paused, then said, "Not anymore. Not in this world. Back in the day, people worked with their hands, built homes, lifted bricks, broke their backs for a living, and yes, they survived. But today, this world doesn't pay for muscle. It pays for mind. It pays for ideas. It pays for people who can build value through a screen. People with no degrees are making money in their sleep, not because they're lucky, but because they learned how this world works now. You're still working like it's 1990, but we're living in a digital battlefield. If you don't upgrade, you get left behind." The young man asked, "So, where do I even begin?" The man leaned in and said, "You need 3 things: direction, skill, discipline. Direction means you know why you're doing this. Skill gives you the tool. Discipline makes it work when motivation dies. Pick a skill. Just one. Learn marketing. Learn content. Learn how people buy, how products sell. Not sure where to start? Here's the cheat code. Look at where money flows online, then insert yourself. That could be building websites for small businesses, creating visuals or short videos, managing ads or writing words that sell, selling knowledge you already have. Don't aim to go viral. Aim to be useful to people with money. Build trust. Deliver value. Money will follow." You know why most people stay broke? Because they wait for motivation. They wait for a perfect idea. They wait for permission. But the truth is no one's coming to save you. No boss. No government. No friend. You're not stuck because you're unlucky. You're stuck because you haven't sat down and said, "I'm building something now. No more delay." Don't just work hard. Work smart. Work sharp. And most importantly, work on yourself. The richest people today aren't sweating in factories. They're building systems, managing attention, solving digital problems. You've got a phone in your hand right now. That's more powerful than what NASA had in the 60S. So, tell me, what's your excuse? Curious how people are learning digital skills and making money online? I've laid it all out in a free guide. The link's waiting for you in my bio. Seriously, go check it out. Liked it? Then you know what to do and follow. Enjoyed the video? Hit that subscribe button and join the community.